So this pattern says you would chain a multiple of 10 plus 2. I'm just going to do a small sample. So row 1, so you're going to single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Okay. Then you're going to skip your second. Okay, you're going to chain 3. You're going to skip 2 chains, and then you're going to do 5 double crochets in the next 5 chains. So 1, 2. Okay, let's try this again. Oh, goodness gracious. Okay, so let me do this off camera because obviously I can't do this. So you're going to do 5 double crochets in the second and the next 5 chains. Okay, so 5 double crochets, and you're going to chain 3. You're going to skip 2 chains again. And in the third one, you're going to do a single crochet. Oh my gosh, why is it so hard for me to do this on camera? Oh no. Okay, chain 3, skip 2 chains, and in the third, you're going to do your 5 double crochets. So that's the pattern. It's 5 double crochets, chain 3, skip 2, single crochet, chain 3, skip 2, and your 5 double crochets, and that's row 1. Okay, so once you are close to the end, you're going to skip your 1, 2 chains. Well, you're going to do 3, you're going to chain 3. You should have, oh goodness, 4 chains left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it does look like I do. Then you're just going to single crochet in the last chain. So the first row looks like this, which is strange because let me see, 1, 2, I should have 3 chains left. I have 4. Okay, so if you have an extra chain, that's fine. Like I have 4, I should have 3. So it actually should end here, not here. But it's fine. I'll just do this. If you have extra chains, like 3 or 4 or extra, it's better to have extra chains than to need a chain, because this, you can actually undo it and then just undo the chains that you didn't use and just, you know. But if you need chains, I mean, you would have to, you know, go back and redo everything. So, okay. So there you go. So now row 2 says to chain up 5, and it counts as a double crochet plus a chain 2. So 3, 4, 5. You're going to jump to these 5 double crochets, and you're going to do a single crochet in each of the double crochet. Okay, like this. Then you're going to chain 2. And in this single crochet on the bottom, you're going to do a double crochet. Then you're going to chain 2. And then again, you're going to do single crochet on top of these double crochets. Okay. Then you're going to chain 2. And then do a double crochet on top of the single crochet. Then you're going to chain 2, and then again do your single crochet in each of the 5 double crochets below. then you're going to chain 3. No, you're going to chain 2, chain 2, and then you're going to do a double crochet on the last single crochet, or in the first single crochet right here below this. So that's row 2. Now row 3, you're going to chain up 3. Then you're going, in this first space right here, you're going to do 2 double crochets, chain 3, and then in the middle of this, in the middle of these, you're going to skip 1, 2, and in the middle, you're going to do a single crochet. Then you're going to chain 3. You're going to do 2 double crochets in the next space, 1 double crochet on top of this double crochet, and then 2 double crochets in the next space. Chain 3, single crochet on top of this double crochet, chain 3, and then continue with the pattern. So 2 double crochets, the next space, a double crochet on top of this double crochet, and then 2 in the next space, 2 double crochets, chain 3. So here at the last one, so just in the middle, do your single crochet. Then you're going to chain 3. You're going to do 2 double crochets in the last space. And then you're going to do a double crochet on top of the chain. Actually, you count your chains somewhere on the chain 3, on top of the 3rd chain. And that's row number 3. This is how it looks like. Now row number 4. Row number 4, it says to chain 1. You're going to single crochet in the first stitch, and then single crochet in the next 2 stitches. Stitches. You're going to chain 2. You're going to double crochet on top of the single crochet, chain 2, and you're going to do a single crochet on top of these 5 double crochets, chain 2, do your double crochet on top of the single crochet, chain 2, then again you're going to do your 5 single crochets, chain 2, 1 double crochet, chain 2, and then you're going to do at the end your 3 single crochets. Okay, so now we're going to do row 5. So we're going to chain 1, and you're going to do 1 single crochet in the first chain, in the first space. Then you're going to do, again, you're going to do 2 double crochets. Oh, wait a minute. No. You're going to do the single crochet. You're going to chain 3. I always forget these chain 3s. You're going to do your 2 double crochets in the first space, the 1 double crochet on top of the other one, and then 2 double crochets in the chain 2 space. Actually, chain 3 space. No, it's chain 2 space. Okay. Getting confused with the steps. Okay, so then you're going to chain 3, single crochet in the middle, chain 3. You're going to do your, again, your 2 double crochets, and then your double crochet on top, and then your 2 double crochets, chain 3, double single crochet in the middle, chain 3, and then do your other set. I'll go ahead and finish it. I'm already here. Okay. Okay, then you're going to chain 3. You're going to single crochet in the very last single crochet. And that is row 5. So now we're going to repeat, you would repeat rows 2 to 5. So this is basically the pattern. You can change colors. I'm going to change colors just so it looks different when I take a picture of it. If you want to do that before you finish your single crochet here, cut your yarn, leave a long tail because you will need to weave in your ends. I'm not doing it because this is a sample, so I don't have to worry about it. So here it is. So we're going to start again. I'm going to start you off with row 2, and then you just continue to repeat row 2, 3, 4, and 5. So row 2 says to chain 5. Then you do your single crochet in each of the 5, double crochet below, then you're going to chain 2, double crochet on top of the single crochet, chain 2, and then you do your single crochet all 5 and just repeat row 2. So I would like to do a border, so I guess it is okay to end in row 5 because that way you can just single crochet or double crochet all your way across and it would work. So that's it. I'm going to finish my sample and I'll come back and I'll figure out what kind of a border we can do for this one. Okay, so for the border, I went ahead and did 2 rounds of single crochet to establish some sort of foundation. I think it looks a little bit cleaner, nicer if you do that before you do a border. So this one, what you're going to do is you're going to go around and you're going to do a double crochet in each stitch. So of course you would chain 3 and then just go into each stitch and do a double crochet. Now, see here, if I do this, oh, I think I skipped a stitch. That's why, because I was like, why does it look so? I think you're supposed to have a stitch here. Okay, then no. Goodness. Yeah, that looks a lot better. Okay, so just double crochet all around. Again, if you're not familiar with the single crochet border, you just basically go around and more or less on the top and the bottom of the blanket, it's easy because the stitches are already there. On the sides, you have to more or less determine where each single crochet is going to go. And you want to do it in a way where it doesn't ruffle, or it's not too where it goes like this. So, you know, you want to make sure it lays nice and flat. So just go in each stitch, maybe on some of these, I did 2. I did 2 on this. In the corners, I did probably 5 or 6. It just depends. You want to fill it basically you want to fill the gaps on the sides. So, and then once you reach, you have to determine where a corner would be. So more or less this. So once you, if you're, let's say you're doing a single crochet on your second round, more or less they're like, okay, this would look like a corner. You would do 3 single crochets in that same stitch to make a sharp corner. So just, you know, look at it and see where it would be. If it doesn't look right, then you can undo it and just, you know, make sure that it looks nice and square. So I'm going to do this and I'll be back with the second round. Just a quick note, if in the corner, I would recommend just doing like 2 double crochets together in that same stitch. That way it won't, because I've noticed that if you just double crochet in each, it kind of goes like this. So if you want to keep that corner, just do 2 double crochets and it should be okay. Okay, so once you finish the double crochet round, you're going to chain up 4. You're going to skip 1 double crochet, and then you're going to do a half double crochet. Chain 2. So this 4 acts as a half double crochet plus 2 chains. You're going to skip 1 double crochet. Goodness gracious. So I'm just going to start recording, people start talking. So half double crochet, chain 2, skip 1 double crochet, and then do a half double crochet. So you're going to do this all along. So chain 2, skip 1 double crochet, half double crochet. Chain 2, skip 1 double crochet, half double crochet. And then that would be round number 2 of the border. Okay, so once you have finished all around, of course, chain 2, and then just attach to second chain. Actually join is more like the term that everybody uses. And that is, now the pattern that I'm looking at says that you can do another round of double crochets in each, like do 2 double crochets here because there's 2 chains, and then 1 double crochet on top of this, and then 2 double crochets. My opinion, just that, is that it looks nice the way it is. I like the way it looks like this, but if you want to do another round, it's just, you know, 3 double crochets, 3 chains, and you do 2 double crochets in each, and then a double crochet here in the middle. And then 2 double crochets in that. So, that's up to you. That's the border. So it would look, something like that, which I think looks nice as well. Where did I put, okay, yeah. So I guess it just depends on what you want to do. As far as adding this extra round, you want to do it like that. Or you can just leave it like this, which I am. I think the border is thick enough, my opinion. But again, it's up to what you want to do. So yeah, just go around and do another round of double crochets, and that's the border for this one. So that's the pattern. I think that's it for the border and everything. So please let me know if you have any questions. Email me. And I hope you learned something new today, and thank you for watching.